prepare this, then you use it for short bars, right? Or you come and give it there. See, come and give it there, man. See me how? Yeah, see me you don't prepare food and things for home, never. Come now, come on, like, they are hard work and things. I get this dinner and everything prepared, huh? Hope you like it, well. This dinner. Hope it can be delicious. Yeah. Good night, love. Good night, good night. Good night. Come early, man. Prepare dinner, man. Yeah, I come home early tonight. I could see you don't prepare dinner and everything. Just waiting for me. That's see. We prepare. What? Delicious. Alright, today is me on. No, this one is not you. This one is you. But you know, I don't eat in plate. I eat in the bowl. I eat in the plate tonight. But I eat then. Well, you gotta eat here, eat a little bit and live long. But I always eat little bit. This here says little bit. You like me? No, if you want to eat though, so you eat though. Alright, well, here in up, me care what you say, right? I'm going to eat this here, and you eat though. Alright. Food looking delicious though. Well, you know, I could cook. But you gotta be contented to wherever you get, right? I contented, I always contented. No, you can't stop me. I eat your easy man, I gotta eat in the biggest bowl, yes, right? Mom, you eating? Yeah, man, I eating, I can eat now. Where's this here? Tell you be contented. But you don't do me this here, so what there? What you gonna do me this here, what there? I tell you be contented. Yeah? Eat little to live long. This is a too little bit. Right? You look for the big bowl, so this is what you get. So, eat little. Eat little bit and live long. Eat little bit. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe and share. Share with a friend and family. See you on the next video. Boom out.